My name is Pranav. Today I am going to demonstrate about TDS payments. TDS is a tax deducted at source or withholding tax, all are same. Now you can deduct the TDS either on invoice posting or at the time of making the payment. It depends on company to company. I repeat, you can deduct the tax when the vendor gives the invoice, or you can deduct the TDS when you're making the payment to the vendor. Both the ways I'm going to show it to you. On the invoice posting, I had given tax type as A1, on the tax code as A2. A2 contains the formula. Again, on the payment posting, B1 and formula will be B2. How we shall apply this? Now we will create one new vendor. The code is XK01. Then I'll type my company code, then account group, then press enter, then select the company, okay, then give the name as ABC Consulting. Then give the address, search term, everything, press enter, again press enter, again press enter. Give a link to reconciliation account, that is vendor control account. Then sort key is 012, cash management group is A1, payment terms is 0003, again press enter. Now here this is the withholding tax country setting. Then the country is IN. Then tax type, which I've already showed it to you, this one A1 and A2. You have to assign A1 here and A2 here. Then liable, please enable the liable checkbox. Then B1 and B2 liable the checkbox. So for this particular vendor, you can deduct TDS either on purchases or on the payment. Okay, now click on save. Now the vendor has been created. Now let us go to FB60. I'll come to FB60. Please make sure you select your company code, then press F4 here, then select ABC Consulting, press enter, again give the date. Now the amount is 1,80,000. Then press F4 here, select laboratory maintenance charges, say 1,80,000. What you have to do, you have to come to withholding tax tab. Suppose you are deducting TDS on purchase, you have to remove this. Remove the payment, this one, then click on simulate. See, now the TDS has been calculated. Okay, click on save. Now I'll show you how to deduct the TDS while you are making the payment. Now we have learned how to deduct the tax when you are making the purchase invoice. Again I'll press F4. I'll select AR Scientific. Okay, then select the date, select the amount, select the ledger, again select the amount, press enter, then click on withholding tax. Please remove on the purchases. Okay, now click on simulate. Don't get confused. While you are making the payment, TDS will be deducted, not now. Now click on save. Now let us see how it will get deducted when we are making the payment. So slash nf hyphen f hyphen 53. So select the date, select the bank account, select the amount, select the value date, then being the payment made, then select the vendor, click on process item. Now I have to check this. Okay, now I'll enable this, then click on withholding tax. See, the withholding tax has been calculated 17,617.5. Okay, now I'll come to document and simulate. See, now the cash discount received is 3825. See, the TDS will be deducted after receiving the discount. Okay, so it is 17,617.5. Then click on save. So this is how you can able to deduct the TDS. Now we'll go and check the ledger NFS 10N. Now press F4. Then you can TDS on subcontractors. Click on execute. So this credit has been wait for a moment. See, the 17,617.5 has been deducted. See, this 18,000, it is on the purchases. If you deduct on the purchases, you have to deduct 18,000. If you are making the on the payment, it is 17,617.5. It's clearly knows the difference between when you deduct on the purchase, how much amount will come. When you deduct on the payment, how much amount will come. Okay. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo. In case you want real-time experience, please contact me at my country code is 91. The phone number is 8123 999977, or you can shoot a mail to sappranu@gmail.com. I repeat, sappranu@gmail.com. Thank you.